Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. This video is going to be in collaboration with West Kiss Hair. I'm going to tell you all about this beautiful unit that they sent over for me to review. So the unit arrived in this pink West Kiss box. I'm loving the lipstick lips on this box. But let's get into all of the goodies that West Kiss sent over along with the unit. So first we have this pink satin bonnet, and it is satin on the inside as well as the outside. It has a very snug fit. We also have a pair of 3D lashes, a wig melting band as well. It also came with a edge control brush to lay down your edges, an HD wig cap, there's 2 in the pack, as well as a satin drawstring bag in order to store your unit. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so let's get into the unit. It is a beautiful brown color, and I'm excited because this is different for me. I typically wear black units, but this is a brown unit. The curls are so beautiful. So just to get into the unit, it does have 2 braids already installed in the unit. Keep in mind these braids are removable, but it does add a nice little detailed touch to the styling of the unit. Okay, so let's get into the construction of the unit. It has an elastic band to keep the unit secure on your head. It also is equipped with 3 combs, 1 on the back as well as 2 on the side. It also has additional adjustable straps in the back for additional securement of the unit as well. As you can see, the lace is pre-cut, it's nice, thin, and transparent, which really helps it blend well with your skin tone. The curls are nice and tight. This is a 7-in-1 5x5 HD lace closure unit. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so pretty much what I like to do with any curly unit is I like to prep it before I actually wear it. So this is the night before. I'm going to go in and prep the unit and just define the curls. That way it'll be ready to go in the morning for work. So I'm going to start with using this Cantu. This is the comeback curl. It's like a curl revitalizer. I'm just going to spray the unit down with the curl revitalizer and go ahead and comb through the unit. As I sprayed the unit down and combed through it, I did get minimal shedding, which is pretty typical with curly units, but that is the most shedding that I got while combing through the unit. I am going to apply some foundation powder to my HD wig cap before I place the unit on. This unit is very full, so the density on this unit is very high. I'm just prepping it the night before. So I am using some water and conditioner mix, as well as I'm going to go in with some curl mousse and apply some mousse before I place the hair into braids. As I stated in the beginning of the video, the lace is pre-cut, so you do not have to cut the lace unless you want to. However, I am very particular about my lace, so I am going to go ahead and customize it to my liking. And I am simply using the scissors going in in a zigzag motion, the same pattern that the lace came pre-cut. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I have the unit prepped and ready for bed. I am not planning to use any glue on this unit. I am going to go glueless. However, I am going to use the melting band that Westkiss provided, as well as my new satin bonnet while I sleep in this unit overnight. Okay, so it is the next morning. The unit stayed in place. I did not apply any glue to it. It stayed in place with the elastic band. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take out the two plaits that I placed in the unit the night before and go ahead and define my curls, and I will be ready for work. This is perfect for the busy girls that are on the go, that does not have time to spend an hour on their hair in the morning. So this is perfect. This is exactly what I need for my busy lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is the finished look. After prepping my hair the night before, it took me less than 5 minutes in order to style my hair. I like the braids. They add a different touch to the curly unit. As you can see, the curls are popping. They are juicy. I did not add any glue to this unit, lifestyle lovers. The only thing that I did to secure this unit was the elastic band. This unit is 20 inches in length, so it comes a little bit past my shoulders. And I definitely have to do the shake test so you can see that this unit is not going anywhere. As you can see, I can pull it on and off. You can see how natural the hairline is. And as I stated, there is no glue that I applied to this unit. I want to give a special thanks to Westkiss Hair for collaborating with me on this video. If you are interested in more convenient ready-to-go units such as this one, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. As always, lifestyle lovers, thanks so much for watching.